Everything is fine now, guys. Come on. My voice is audible now.
Yes, Ravi. Good evening.
Okay, so let's move on. Okay, let's move on, and we will see that. Okay, guys. Okay, these things is already that, right? But based on these things only, I will reduce the code, guys. Okay, based on these things only, then you people having what clear picture. Because of that, I'm explaining. Okay, I know that because already in what spring also these things I already explained, right? In what spring already I explained these things. Okay, so now fine now, guys. So okay, fine now. So next what we will do now, create, update, create. What is that? Update, validate, and create. And another property is what now? Another property is what now, guys? Create, create hyphen. What is that? Create hyphen what? Drop. I will explain what is the everything's meanings, right? Everything's meanings also just now I will explain it, right? So how many? One, two, three, four properties are there, right? Create, update, validate. Yeah. So these four properties are there, right? These four properties drop. Yeah. These what? These four properties is there, right? Creating means what, guys? Creating means what? Create means what? Whenever we will perform what? Whenever we will perform what operation, those many times what will happen now? Every time our application will what is that? Create the table, and what is that? Delete the data, right? Create the table and delete the data in one session, right? Now another property is what? Validate. Validate means what? Hibernate, right? Hibernate will not create the table. Hibernate will not create the table. Who will create now? Explicitly end user will create in the table inside that database. This one meaning is what? Validate means what? Validate means what, guys? Validating means what? You, hey programmer, you have to create the table in and columns in what? Columns in what? Database. Then I will insert the data. Then I will insert the data. This is not my responsibility. If we in HBM to DDL auto, right? If we take what is that? Validate. Yeah, so in this situation explicitly we have need to create what is that? Table inside the database. Hibernate will not create, right? So same like now, so fine. Same like update. What update will do now, guys? What update will do now? Update will create, right? Update. First it will check if the previous data there is no changes is there in the object, right? Then then update will perform the operation in the same table, right? Same table. And if any changes, if any data is there, right? If any data is there, then what it will do now? Then what is that? In the database, that those area will what is that? Those area will update it. Okay, okay, our ORM framework will update that those area now. Okay, so fine now, guys. So next one is what? Create, right? Create is there. Okay, what is the create is doing now? Create every time. Okay, how many time you will perform the operation in database, right? Those many time what will happen now? Those many time our in the database table will create, and what? Data will insert, right? Data will insert in what? Database. Data will what? Insert in a database. Means what? That is the meaning of what? Create the session. Now create attribute, create property. Now last one is what? Drop is there, right? Drop. This one is not for the end user, guys. Okay, this one is not in use for what is that? End user. This one is what? Whenever testing environment, our application will move on what? Testing environment. So what will happen now? So lakhs of record will be there. Just think about that. So whenever tester will test it, okay, so whenever tester will activate our application at that time, what is that? Whatever data is there, those data will store, and what is that? Means testing, for the testing purpose. It will create the table. It will create the table in what? Database. And the same like what is that? In same like it will delete the data also, right? After completing the execution, right? First, what is that? Whenever what is that? Whenever our like tester will start the application, this table will create, and what is that? In the thread, right? This table will create. After what? Whenever application will destroy, right? This table also will remove from the database. Means what is that? This is the meaning of what? This is the meaning of what, guys? create and drop attribute. What is that? This is the meaning of what? Create and drop meaning. Okay, so fine now guys. So let's understand what? Let's understand what is that HBM to DDL underscore what show, right? So fine now guys. So what is the meaning of so? What is the meaning of so? So whenever we will run our application, right? Whenever we will run our application on the console, I want to see the what is that query? Like what is that? Which query is performing our application? So just think about the select, right? Select, select. What is that? Select ename, right? Ename, sorry, ename, and what is that? Where what is that? eid equal to question mark, right? This is the query, right? This is the query. So I want to see that on the console whenever we will activate our application, what is that query also, right? Query also I want to see the query also in what? Our what? Our console. So for that we will, this is the by default value is what? False. So we will make the true. Whenever we will make the true, we can able to see the query on what? Console. So this is the meaning of what? This is the meaning of what? Our property now. Okay, this property so underscore SQL. So fine now guys. Okay, so now whenever we are performing the multiple operation now, okay, so whenever we are performing, what is that? Lack of operation in our application, at that time what will happen now guys? At that time what will happen now? Format underscore SQL is there, right? Format underscore what? SQL is there, right? So what is the meaning of that? What is the meaning? No, if by default this one will come, what is that? In a single line. If we false, if this property is what? False, then what is that? The query will become what is that? False. So if we make this one as a true, so what will happen now? Our Hibernate will generate our query is what? Class by class. Class by class means what guys? Now what is the meaning of class by class? Select, right? Now select eid, after then what is that? Comma ename, right? This is the select clause. After then what is that? Where now what is that? Eid, right? Eid equal to question mark. This is nothing but what? By decorated format or not? This is nothing but what guys? Class by class, right? So like this our Hibernate application will generate the query. This is the meaning of what? This is the meaning of what? Format underscore SQL now. So now till now the things is clear going on guys. Everyone is understanding the things now. Come on,
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so now fine now guys. So clear, right? Boring or interesting now?
Very interesting, Ravi. Very interesting. We are understanding all things.
Interesting session.
Okay.
Interesting. Actually, this is new for me. Hibernate is new for me, but still I am understanding in very clear way. Thank you so much, Ravi.
It's okay, Jubi. Do one time practical, right? One time if you complete the
Yeah, sure,
practical,
sure.
see, first time anything is new only, right? So just you are,
Yeah,
but don't worry about that, right? First time everything is new only, right? So if you spend the time, it will come to you. Okay, don't worry. Okay, so and
thank you.
yes. Okay, so let's move on now. Okay, so okay, so fine now, guys. So next one is what? Next one is what, guys? So this is the what? One input, right? One input is what? Employee class. One input is what? Employee class. Another input is what? Configuration class now, guys. Okay, configuration class now. But what we will do now? What we will do now? We have need to save the. If we want to save the data, right? If we want to save the data, so we have need what is that? Sessions, right? We have need to sessions. In the sessions what we will do now? We will save the data, right? We can persist the data in what? Database. We can persist the data in what? Database. So for that what we will do now? So this is the what is that? Hibernate configuration file is there now. This is the what? Hibernate configuration file is there now, guys. Okay, so same like okay, come to. So we have need to what? test the data, right? Test the data. We have need to write what? Our testing class, right? Testing class. In that class, what we will do now? First, what we will do now? We will create the object. What is that? Just think about that. I'm giving the diagram now, guys. Okay. Just what is that? Just think about that. This is what our Hibernate configuration file is there. This file. I'm talking about this file now, guys. Okay. Which one? Which file now? Which file now? I'm talking about this file. Sorry, this file, right? This file. So we have need to give somewhere this input, right? Then our ORM framework, Hibernate framework will understand, right? Then our what? Hibernate framework will understand. Okay. So now what is that? So we will give what? This input. Just think about that. This is what our Hibernate configuration XML is there, right? So in this XML configuration, these properties are there now. Okay. So what is that? Hibernate. Hibernate, what is that? CFG dot what? XML, right? CFG dot what? XML. So what we will do now? We will create one object. We will create one object. That object name is what now? Configuration. Who is the given now? Our Hibernate is the given, right? First step we will do in the application what? Configuration. Configuration. This is the concrete class now, guys. Okay, this is the concrete class given by whom? Hibernate. Okay, so using this object, right? Using this object, what we are doing now? What we are doing now? Using this object, what we are doing now? We are loading this. What is that? This. What is that? This XML configuration in what? Configuration object. What we are doing now? We are loading this. What is that? XML configuration, right? We are loading this XML configuration inside this object. In which object now? Configuration object. In which object now, guys? Configuration object. So fine now, guys, we will get this property. This property in what? In our what? Our configuration object. So if we want to load this configuration object inside this what? Configuration object, in this configuration file, right? Inside this configuration object, right? So what method we will call now? Second operation now. Second operation we will do that, right? Second operation we will do that, right? What is the second operation? Second operation is what? We will call, what is that? Config method. Configure method, right? Whenever we will call the configure method, right? Using what is that? A reference of what? Configuration object. Using what? Using what is that? Configuration object. So what will happen? This file will load inside this what? This file will load inside this what? In which object? Configuration object, right? This file will load inside this what? Configuration object, right? So fine now, guys. So next step, what we will, after loading this configuration file, next step, what we will do now? What we will do now? Then we will what is that? Create, or using what is that? Session interface is there, right? Using what is that? Session interface. We will create one session. We will create one session. In that session, what we will do now? We will create, what is that? We will create one session. Session. That session interface using what is that? Session factory. Using what? Session factory, guys. Session factory means what? Factory means what? Just what is that? What is that? Everyone having, I think everyone have inside the home, maybe car is there, right? No, leave it. Bike definitely will be there, everyone, right? So bike. Okay, so factory means what is that? We don't know how to create what? We don't know how to create a bike, if right? So what we are doing now? We are going to what? Showroom to buy the what? Buy the bike. Seem like, okay, so showroom people, where they are going now? Um, because see, showroom people just what is that? Distributing the bike. They are not preparing the bike, right? Who is the preparing now? Bike factory. Correct, right? Who is the preparing now? Bike factory people, right? Because they having the what is that? Rules and guidelines to what? Develop what is that? Bike. Create the bike object. Create the bike object, right? So same like, we don't know here also. We don't know how to build what is that? Create what is that? Session factory. Session factory to perform what is that? A database operation, right? To perform what is that? A database operation. So where we are going now? Session factory. Same like here also or not, guys? Come on. We don't know how to perform what is that database operation in ORM. So ORM framework is given, hey developer, don't worry about that, I'm giving what is that one session factory interface, right? Using session factory you can do those things. Okay, using what is that session factory, what you have to do now, you have to perform our operation. I'm reducing your burden now. Okay, so same like what is that here also session factory, right? Session factory, using session factory, what we are doing now, this is the session factory object, right? This is what session factory object. Okay, so this is the session factory object. Now inside this session factory, what we are doing now, using what is that, I want to perform what is that database operation, right? I want to perform what database operation. So what we are doing now, okay, so okay, in which database of you are going to perform a mister, like this is saying that what is the session factory. Okay, please give me some input, right? Where in which database I have need to perform what is that all operation, which one, update, delete and select those operation, right? So those information where you given, where you given in what is that, in Hibernate configuration file, which one already in loaded what configuration object, right? Which one already in loaded in what configuration object. So what you have to do now, please give those input, means what is that, in which database you want to perform the operation, please give those input to me, then I can understand. Okay, you are going to perform what is that Oracle database, what is that MySQL database. So in this configuration MySQL configuration we are giving, by taking those input, right? By taking those input, our application will do what, our application will do what now guys, our application will perform what is that, by using what is that, then our application will perform what is that, then build operation, right? So what is that, what is that, this is the building, means what is that, it will build what, build 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 what is that session factory, build what session factory object, right? And this one will give in this session factory, means this information in what session factory object. Now fine, now guys, so next one is what, okay, so I taken this information in what session factory, right? Session factory. So now by using that, what is that, create one session object, right? Create one session object. By using that session, what you have to do now, what you have to do now, in that session you have to perform all operation, right? Means what you have to using, what is the session, you have to save the object, you have to select the object, you have to delete the object. So for that, what is that, then our Hibernate will create what is that one session object, right? Our Hibernate will create what is that session object. What is that session object, right? Session object, what session object, using session object, what we are doing now guys, using what, using session object, what is that fourth operation, what we are doing, open, we are opening the session, open the session, and in this session whatever operations are there, save operation, delete operation, update operation, you have to perform it now, you have to perform it now guys. This is the theory is going on, don't worry. Whenever we will do the practical at the time, what we will understand, right? We will understand everything. Yes, you be predefined. What is that means predefined method using what interface? Yeah, its implementation classes also there. I will show it, right? At the time of what doing the practical. At the time of what doing the practical now. Okay, so fine now guys. So here, what is that one session? In the session, what will happen now? So if how many type of in the database, what is that four type of queries are there, right? DDL, DEML, TCL, and what is that? One another one is what now guys?
DML.
Huh. So same like, but whenever we are talking about using the Java, what is that? Only two type of there. What is that? Select, select, and what is that? Non-select. Non-select, right? Yes, non-select, right? Select and non-select. In the non-select, which kind of operation we are performing now? Delete, delete, update, and what is that? Insert. these operation, what these operation is comes under what is that non-select operation, and what is that select. Select, we know that only select kind of operation we are performing, right? Only what select operation we can perform, all right? So same like here also, after session object creation now, guys, okay? After session object creation now, if query is non-select, right? If query is what non-select, so we have need what is the transaction object now, guys, okay? What we have need transaction object, right? So we have need what transaction object. So fine now. Okay, so here what we are going to do now, what we are going to do now, if non-select query is there, right, then transaction object, right, the perform, what is that, what is the meaning of transaction? Roll and commit and roll back, guys, okay? Transaction, okay? Call what transaction object, right? Transaction object, and what is that, you have to begin the transaction now, okay? Begin the transaction now. After then what is that, after transaction operation, after then what is that, after calling this transaction object, what is that, you have to do the perform the what is that operation now. Then you have to do, then you have to perform what is that operation. Then you have to perform what operation now, guys, okay? Okay, so after performing the operation, which kind of operation? Update. If non-select query is there, guys, okay? Update, what is that? Update, update, delete, and what is that? Insert. To performing what non-select query operation, we have need to what call transaction management, right? Transaction management. After then what will happen now? After then what will happen now? Next one is what? Then what is that, after performing this operation, what is that, suddenly you have to call what, using transaction management, suddenly we have need to call what, commit. Then our object will commit, or if not successfully stored, then what is that, back, roll back. Our object will roll back, right? After then what will happen now, our object will roll back. After completing this operation, what will happen now, then this session we have need to destroy. We have need to destroy this session, means what, we will close the session. We will close the session. These are the Hibernate operation, guys. Here we will not do implement internally, these things will happen, but I'm just giving the analysis to you people, okay? Just I'm giving the analysis to you people. After completing these things, okay, what will happen now, this close the session, then what will happen now, our session will destroy, right? Our session will destroy. After the, okay, these things will happen about what, session, right? These things for the non-select query. Okay, if I want to perform what is that select operation, right? If I want to perform select operations, then what will happen, we don't have need to call transaction management, guys. Just what we will do now, in the session only we will perform directly operation get. Which kind of to perform in the session, get r load, right? Get r load, these operation we will perform, right? These operation we will perform directly, we don't have any transaction management, right? To further performing what select operation. After the next level discussion, right? This is the, this is what is that full what is that explanation of what one small application now, guys, okay? One is a small application. So what I'm going to do now, let's create one small application, right? Let's create one small application, and what we will do now, we will perform that operation. After then what is that, I will reduce this code in what is that Spring JPA, right? Spring JPA, suddenly we will enter what, suddenly we will enter inside that what, Spring JPA. Are you ready now, guys? Come on.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay, so based on this discussion, let's create one application, right? Let's, what we will do now, let's create one application, okay? So okay, so what we will do now, guys, so For example, what we have need to do now, one dependency we have need, right? One dependency, what is that? Hibernate. Hibernate core. To perform this operation, what dependency we have need now? Hibernate core we have need, guys. Okay. How much, see boss, how much we have need to work on what is that data JPA, those that much basic things I am covering here, right? After then, right? After then, those high level, whatever high level programming is there in the Hibernate, those high level programming I will touch in the data JPA also, right? And if we get the chance to learn what is that Hibernate, right? Means if I get the time, right? Don't worry, Hibernate also I will teach. Okay, Hibernate also I will teach, and the way will be the same only. Okay, the way will be same only. But you know, to understand, right? If directly if I start to explain what is that JPA, guys. Okay, JPA maybe who is a little bit good in Hibernate, those people can understand. But who don't know Hibernate, right? For those people, for those little bit complicated is there, right? Little bit complicated is there, but. Don't worry, I will make the easy only, right? I will make the easy only, but you know, this much things is there in the Spring Boot, right? What is that data JPA? Internally these things will happen, but just 3 to 4 line code we will write. I will show that this code will reduce. I want to reduce those code only, right? Yes, Sunil. Okay, Hibernate, I will teach. Okay, just I'm only single person, right? If I see the people is ready for the small amount of time, right? Like just think about that. What is her name? She was started core Java, but you know, see, in the December, right? In the December last weekend onward, I was started these things. Okay, so just think about that. Any Saturday, Sunday, I did not took what is that any leave. If 2 p.m. is 2 p.m., I'm taking the sessions, right? Saturday, Sunday also I'm not taking the. If I promise, then I will not back. Okay, I will not back. But I'm not finding like me person who can. If the person is committed promise, then those person can what is that do that those things. Okay, until unless like what is that. 1 month, like 1 month, 15 days, they are motivated, right? They will take the session. After then, where their motivation will go down, there onward they will stop the session now. Okay, so what I can do now, like these people I'm not finding. Okay, I'm not finding. Okay, so this is the problem. Otherwise, if I get any supportive person, right, then we can do the wonder. Then we can do the wonder. See, hardworking person need yaar. In the life, you know, if you are hardworking person, you can achieve anything, in my point of view. So fine, now let's move on. Let's move on. Okay, so this operation, right? These operation will be there. Okay, so these operation will be there. Okay, so what we will do now, I'm going to create what one, and what is that? I will connect with what is that? I will connect what our application with what? MySQL. I'm going to use what is that from here onward? MySQL. Everyone install in your computer MySQL now. Everyone is know that. Let me know that installation and all those things now,
Yes,
guys.
sir.
I have
Yes,
Oracle
yes.
SQL. Is it fine with it?
Sorry.
I have Oracle MySQL. The last time you were using it, the same one I have. Is it fine?
It's okay, no problem. If Oracle is there, Hibernate, there
Okay.
is no need, right? Just configure about what is that? Oh, like Oracle database information in what is that Hibernate property. That's it. Except that, nothing more than else. Okay. I will tell those both, right? Both how we can
Okay.
configure. Okay. So because here Hibernate will create the object.
Actually, I'm facing
Yes, yes.
Yeah, actually, I'm facing some issues, network issues in my home because everything is logged, and from Monday onwards, everyone is unlocking. So Monday onwards, I will not face any issue, and there will be a good connection in office, so I can download each and everything. Here now, there is a lot of network issue, and I'm unable to download anything,
In which
even though
area?
STS is not working.
From here?
I'm Delhi, New Delhi.
Oh, Delhi, actually.
Yeah.
Good. Very good. I'm also from the Varanasi only, right? So it's
Okay,
okay,
okay.
no problem, Jubi. You can, okay. If anywhere need, just let me know that.
Yeah.
Others just, in the group only, put your query. The people will help
Okay,
you.
okay. Sure, sure.
Okay.
Sure.
So
Thank you.
people will help you. Don't worry about that. Okay. So don't worry. Just you are there in
Thank
the
you.
good platform. Okay. In my point of view, my platform
Thank you.
is
Thank you.
good only, right? I don't know about others' opinion.
Yeah.
Because here
Yeah. Yeah.
people are
Thank you.
there who is helping each others, right? Okay,
Yeah.
so
Right.
let's move on, and we will see the next level discussion. Okay, next level discussion now. Okay, so fine now, guys. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to create one standalone application, right? So file new file new. What we are going to do now, I'm going to Spring Boot application. Still I'm not creating, guys. Okay, just this is what Hibernate application I'm going to create it now. Okay, see this. What is that? File new, and what is that? Maven project. I'm selecting what? Maven project now. Okay, so fine. So next, click on the next. Select what is that to create what? Standalone application. Which quick star we will select it now? Maven archetype quick star. We will select this one now. Next. Okay, so here what I'm going to do now? What I'm going to do now? Just I'm going to create what is that group ID means what project name I'm giving. What is that? Hibernate test application, right? Oh, sorry. Group ID means what is that company name, guys? Okay. ORG dot RK ECHNOLOGIES, right? Now here I'm giving what is that? Hibernate, right? Hibernate. Version I'm giving 1.0 now. Now finish it. Okay, so fine now. Here what we are going to do now. This is the this application is created now. Okay, so this application is creating, still not created. It's creating now. Okay, so fine now. So this is the, but what is that? Whenever we are creating by default, what is that? Which Maven is creating based on that what? 1.5 version, right? So what we will do now, open the pom.xml. Okay, so go on the browser. What is already? Okay, so now fine now, guys. So what we will do now, sorry for that disturbance. Okay, so what we will do now, we will take what is that? Maven compiler plugin, right? Maven compiler plugin to change what is that? Java 8 version, right? To change what? Java 8 version. Now copy this one. So here what we will do now, on the top, right? On the top. Okay, so what we will do now, here only. Okay, here what I'm going to do now, I'm pasting that one. Okay, so it will change our Maven compiler. Fine now, guys. So next one is what we will do now. Already property is there, right? 1 minute. Already
Yes,
property.
yes, two times we have property.
So what we will do now, just we will take this property and we will put inside this here. I'm pasting now, right? And one property we will remove it. Okay, So next one is what we will do now. Next one, Hibernate core, right? To performing what? Hibernate operation. What we will do now? Select what is that? Hibernate. Hibernate, what is that? Core. Core Maven dependency, right? Hibernate core what? Maven dependency. So another one is what? Another one is what now, guys? Okay, I'm selecting what is that 5 point final only, right? Okay, select this one now. Okay, so now go inside the dependencies are there, right? Inside this dependencies, what we will do now? We will paste the dependency, this core dependency. After then, what is that? To connect with what is that? Our MySQL database, right? MySQL database. What is that? For that also one dependency we have need, right? For that also what we have needed now? Dependency, one dependency. So for that, that dependency name is what? MySQL connector. MySQL connector, right? MySQL what? Connector. Okay, MySQL connector dependency, right? Okay, so what is that? We will take the 5 point only, right? This one only I'm taking. Okay, so fine now, guys. So what we will do now? What we will do now? We will paste that dependency, right? We will paste whatever required dependency are there. All required dependency we pasted inside that what, guys? Inside that form.xml. Let's move on, right? Let's move on. Okay, let's move on. Whatever till now discussion is going on based on that, except one single word also I will not use, guys, in the application. See that how I'm explaining to you people. See this, okay? Except that, right? Except that extra word I will not use, right? I will not use, right? In application. Then because of that, you people will get what? Confidence and clear picture. Confidence and a clear picture. And don't lose what? Your hope. In a single day, nothing will happen, guys. Okay, continuous flow need in the life. What is that? If you want to become any area expert, continuous flow is need, right? In a single day nothing will happen, nothing you can achieve in a single day. No one can become programmer, right? So if anybody is thinking about that, I'm a poor in the programming. No one what is that, a specialist by burning, right? Whenever the people are born, right, at the time those people is not a specialist, they are becoming here only. So everyone having the skills, guys. Okay, you people are there in the good hand, good place. Don't worry about that. Okay, whenever I will get that time, I will deliver to you people good subject only, without taking single rupee. No need money for me. Okay, I am earning from money from multiple way, guys. Okay, just you can't believe it. Okay, so because of that, I don't want the money. Just I'm giving what is a 2 to 3 hour, 4 hour only, not to you people. That's enough for me. Because every time money is not important, right? Every time money is not important to people. The people will reach in the good position. That is also important. Okay, so fine now, guys. So this is the right, this is the all configuration has been completed, it right, completed now. But here why the error is there now? Okay, no problem, we will see the later now. Okay, okay, so what we will do now, but still what working folder is not came. Okay, no, came, everything is came now. But what is that here what? Resource folder is not there. So what we will do now, go inside that src main, right click on the main, right, right click on the main. My system is hanging now. Okay, go inside that new and create one folder resource. Right, resources folder. Fine. Now resources folder is created now, guys. Next one is what we will do now. Next one is what? Yeah, right click on the project, go inside that Maven and what? Update the project now, right? Update the project, forcefully update.